Pressing the volume buttons on your SkyQ remote only to find nothing happens can quickly become annoying, especially when channels change normally, but sound controls refuse to respond. Many users notice the remote controlling the SkyQ box perfectly, while volume buttons stop working with the TV or sound system. Sometimes the issue starts suddenly after changing batteries, switching TVs, or reconnecting devices. In many situations, a SkyQ remote volume not working issue can happen because of pairing interruptions, remote setup problems, battery issues, or TV control settings not syncing properly. Before pressing random buttons repeatedly or replacing the remote unnecessarily, these are the steps you can try to fix this and get the volume working on the SkyQ remote properly. 1. Check the SkyQ remote batteries and replace them if button response feels weak or inconsistent. 2. Restart the SkyQ box and TV briefly to refresh communication between devices normally. 3. Repair the SkyQ remote with the TV and confirm volume control settings remain linked properly. 4. Test the volume buttons while pointing the SkyQ remote directly toward the TV or sound system. 5. Open a channel or video and confirm whether the SkyQ remote adjusts volume normally afterward.